Hi teacher, the street planets Detroit, the Amazon region. My name is Adriana Velázquez. Introduction of the place. The Amazon region comprises from 2% of the national territory and described as the lungs of the world due to its large jungle area. This homes to the larger varieties of freshwater fish of the planet and the variety of exotic mammals. Flora of the Amazon region. This made use of forests of ash-cone, which are included among trees, such Itauaua, Caricari, Tajibos, Cedro, Cais Barcina, and Madrid, and Oyster. In addition, the big medicine plants, copes of schools, and the kings of disease grows dirks. Is asparagus foods of magic with real flower of pellicule, beauty, and great color. Of the region flourishes deer. The Amazonian Kid Victoria, considered the largest aquatic plant in the world. Fauna of the Amazon region. Colombia, biodiversity is amazing. Among mammals, the Amazon has the greatest number of species, such as monkeys, jaguar, pumas, sloths, and starfish. Pink dolphins live in waters. In addition, a large number of reptile species stand out, such as aquatic and terrestrial turtles, alligators, crocodiles, and the multitude of kinds includes the anaconda. As for birds, our ecosystem has the large number of birds, Hippolyte, the macons, toucans, egrets, and other groups. In this beautiful place with the food's cultural diversity, different indigenous peoples, language, and dialect, it is all one of the large super of Ian and Street do works marks. Duration of the tweet is last 2 hours and hoped arrival in Leticia and person as the parent and Australia tax equivalent to 13,000 pesos. Means of transportation. The Mexican treat fleet from the city of Bogota or one part of Colombia of Leticia. Activities to do. Carry of different family activities such as visiting and community of Macagua and indigenous refugees visit the Faustin Maicuchigar, where the wild monkeys are observing gray and spin dolphins, sloths, birds, and the large lotus flower in the world and taking a night will join the jungle. Place to stay. I have to choose the place to stand according to the activities. As one does in this case, visiting Leticia and Puerto Carreño. In Leticia and Fray several after an accommodation that fit pocket. Tricky food. Fried fish or in soul accompanies with fried plantain, cooking cassava and chile. However, three as many various distinct such as stuffed gamatina ribs, pirarucus birds, and robot transport, among others. Coats. The budget for outstrips the Amazon can vary according the threat of travel toward the different activities. Just was to note as the flexibility of this job hard to travel. There are specialist agents that offer the Amazon and includes plans for days 3 nights, os are Prince Ranger Western on 1,200,000 pesos and 1,700,000 pesos. According to the BGR Street and the treat of accommodation. Thank you for your attention.